Get understanding, don't memorize. But this is the continuation of our exercise series on circle theorem. Let us consider this question. In fact, this question is not really on circle theorem, but look at it. Let us look at it because when you are considering the theorems, particularly when we are considering the theorem that involves a tangent and diameter or radius, we said that the chord or a chord and two radii, the triangle formed by a chord and two radii is always an associated triangle. So because of that, we'll just look at this question. It is an interesting question. So they say that the diagram shows a set of a circle, center P and radius 14 centimeters. If QS is a chord and angle QPS is 60 degrees, so this is a chord and the whole of this is a sector. And then QPS 60 degrees as indicated. Calculate correct to one decimal place the area of the shaded region. So this area, we have to find this area. Okay, so how are we going to find this? Know that we are told that this is the radius. The radius is 14 centimeters. So since this is the radius, this side is also the radius. So it means that this line is equal to this line. So it means that triangle PQS is what? Is isosceles. Triangle PQS is isosceles. And as we were saying, to be able to find, we have to find this thing, what do you call the area of the shaded portion? That is this of this is a segment. Okay, so area of the shaded portion. Let's see, it is what? Let's denote it by what? By A. Let's denote it by A. So the area of the shaded portion, A, the area. You can say that the area A is equal to what? How to get the area of what? Area of the sector minus the area of what? Of the circle is equals what? Area of the sector minus what? Area of the triangle. That is area of circle. Sorry, area minus area of the triangle. Okay. The triangle is what? Triangle P, Q, S, and then the area of the sector is what? P, Q, R, what? RS. So if you find this difference between these two areas, then we get the area of the shaded region. Okay. Fine. So how do we find? So to me that okay, we can find the area of the sector. It's not difficult, and then after I'll find the area of what? Of the area of the triangle. So let's denote the area of this triangle by let's see, this one is what? Area of the triangle by, let's see, 80, and the area of the sector by what? AS. So area of the sector A what? AS. So it means that A is equal to AS minus what? 80. So the area of the sector, area of the sector, AS is equal to be given by what? 60 degrees. I will explain 60 over what? 360 times what? Per R what? R squared. How do we get this? Look here, because you know that the whole angle of the circle or in the circle is what? 360 degrees. So this 360 degrees is equivalent to what? 360 degrees is equivalent to the whole area of the circle, which is pi r squared. Therefore, this 60 degrees will be equivalent to what? Equivalent to less more will come in divide. So we will get 60 over what? 360 times what? Pi r squared. So in general, this one normally is theta. So if it's theta, then theta will be less. So to get theta over 360 times pi r squared, that's why the area of sector is given by what? Theta over 360 times pi r squared, where theta is the angle formed by the sector at the center of the circle. Okay. Yes, so that is it. Thank you. So let us continue. Let me clean this. Okay, let us continue quickly. Fine. So it means that is what I've written over there. Is what? Is 60 over what? Over 360 times what? Pi r square. So 60 over 360 over this 0 cancels 0. The 6 goes to 6 is what? 36. So it implies that this implies that AS is equal to 1 over 36 times what? Pi. Pi is what? Pi is 22 over 7. And then r squared is what? Radius squared is 14. The radius is 14 squared. Okay. So you get what do you get? You get what do we get? Okay, let's hold on. Okay, so let us do that using our calculator. So it's 14. You have 14 squared. 14 squared is same as 14 times what? Times 14. And that is equal to what? You get 196. 196. Have you seen? So 196 divided by, let's say, 7. Let's see whether 196 7 goes into 196. So we have 196 divided by what? Divided by 7 is equal to what? Is equal to 20. Okay? Okay, fine. So this one is equal to what? So this is equal to what? Half 1 over 6 times what? 22 over 7 times what? 196. Huh? And then 196, this 7 can go into 196. And then we get what? 28. Okay? So this is equal to what? It's equal to 1 over 6 and to bracket what? 22 times what? 22 times 28, which is equal to what? Okay, so we have 28 times 22, which is equal to what? 660. Okay, fine. 660. So 660. Okay, so we have 660 over what? Over 6, which is equal to what? What is 660 divided by 6? 660 divided by 6. So have 6 1 6 divided by what? Divided by 6. This is equal to what? It's equal to 102.666. Okay, so let's say you take 102.66, then you approximate 7. Okay, this is equal to what? 102.66 then 7 centimeters squared. Okay, fine. So this is the area of the sector. Yes. So now let us find the area of the circle. Sorry, area of the triangle PQS. So to find the area of the triangle, I hope you remember that I said when you have an associated triangle, you can draw a perpendicular line. You can draw a line, not a perpendicular, a bisector angle of bisector of this angle at the top. So we can draw a bisector from here to meet the base, and then the bisector will meet what? Will meet the base at what? At right angle. Okay. Bisector will meet the base at right angle. So we can draw this bisector from here to here. Have you seen? Okay. Then this bisector will divide this angle. Always divide this angle to 2 equal parts. So this side will be what? Sorry. Sorry. Okay. So this side will be what? This side will be 30 degrees, and then this side will also be what? 30 degrees. And this is making an angle of what? 90 degrees with the base. Okay, so this is 90. It means that this triangle, this is the line of symmetry. So this triangle is equal to what? This triangle. And then from we have to find the height. Since the area of a triangle is what? Which is equal to half base what? Half base times height. So you have to find this height h. Let's say this side is what? H. This is h. Fine. And then this distance is also equal to this distance, because it passes through this line, passes to meet the base at the midpoint. Have you seen? So if this side is x, then this one also, this length will also be what? X. So let us know that. So the whole base will go 2 times s, or s plus s. Okay. So if you have cos let's say here you want to find the height. You have this is 30. Now cos 30 cut. Cos is what cut. CH adjacent over hypotenuse. So this is 30. Opposite is x. This side is the opposite. So adjacent is h. So we have what cos 30 is equal to adjacent, which is h, over hypotenuse, which is what 14. So this is the radius of the hypotenuse, because that is facing the 90 degrees angle. So this implies that what h is equal to what 14 cos 30. Okay, cos 30 is equal to what? This implies that h is equal to cos 30 is root 3 over 2. So we have root 3 over 2, which is equal to what? 2 goes here. We have 7 root 3 centimeters. 7 root 3 centimeters. So this is the height. Fine. Let us quickly find the base. Okay. So you use what? Sin theta. You can use sin theta to find what? You are using this triangle. Only this side P, and this point, and this side of the triangle. Okay. Okay. So from this half, the half of this this full associated triangle, this side, we can say that sin 30 is equal to what? So sin is so opposite, which is what? X, where the angle, the 30, the side that faces the 30 degrees angle, which is equal to S over hypotenuse. So opposite over hypotenuse. So what does it imply? We are looking for what? X. So this implies that what? X is equal to what? H sin 30. Okay, which is equal to H, the hypotenuse. This is hypotenuse. Okay, the hypotenuse. So let me write it straight away so that I don't get confused, because there's H there. So sin 30 is equal to what? The hypotenuse, which is what? The radius. Hypotenuse, the radius 14. So let me put the 14 straight away there, because this is H. The height that we just found, otherwise you get confused. Okay, so we have what? This is X is equal to 14 what? 14 sin 30. Sin 30 is what? 1 over root 2. So we have 1 over 2, which is 0.5. So this will give us what? This will give us 7 centimeters. Okay, which is equal to 7 centimeters. Fine. So if that the case, we know that the whole base, so the base B is equal to what? S plus what? S is equal to 2x is equal to 7 plus 7, which is equal to 14 what? Centimeters. So the base happens to be equal to the radius, the base of a triangle. This line, that in other words, this chord, the length of the chord is the same as the radius of the circle. Fine. So this is what we have. Therefore, you can find the area of the triangle. Don't forget that we are denoted by 80 at the top here. So this implies that what? It implies that 80, area of the triangle, which is equal to half base times what? Times height, is equal to what? Is equal to 1 over 2 base, which is 14, and then times the height, which is 7 what? 7 root what? Root 3. We don't have much space. I hope you are following. Okay, no, don't have much space. So let me continue from here. So this is equal to what? It's equal to 1 over 2, and then the base is 14, and then times what? 7 root what? 7 root 3, which is equal to what? 14 and 7 root 3. So we have 2 will go here, 2 goes into 14, 7. So this one is 7. 7 times 7 is 49. You get 49 what? 49 root 3. This is the area of the circle, centimeters what? Centimeters squared. Hence, the area of the set of the shaded portion, the area of the shaded portion A, as indicated here, area of the shaded portion, which is the area of the center minus area of the triangle, area of the shaded portion A is equal to what? 102.667 minus what? Minus 49. Oh, I didn't write the 49 well. Sorry. Minus this is 49. 49. Okay. 49. 7 times 7 is 49. So this is equal to what? Equal to 49. 49 root what? Root 3. So minus 49 root what? Root 3. Which is equal to, so where are you going to write this? don't have much space. Okay, let's just bring it up here. So write a final answer here, which is equal to what? Which is equal to, okay, let us bring our calculator back. So 102.687, 102. We have 102, 102.667 minus what? Minus 49 root 3. 49 root what? 49 root 3. 49 root 3. 49, what is it? Just a minute. Okay, so this calculator is not giving me, I can't find the square root sign. So this here is what? We get 202.667 minus 49 root 3, we get 17.79. Let's say 796. And the question is up to what? One decimal place. So one decimal place to be up to this, but this is more than 5, so we add 1 to this, which is equal to what? This is equal to 17 point what? 8 centimeters what? Centimeters squared. So this is the area of what? Of the shaded portion. Okay, so that is the answer. Sorry for that. There's not much space, in fact. So I hope you are following. The understanding is what is important. If you are the understanding, hope you'll be able to write everything in order and get this as we have gotten it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Get understanding. Don't memorize. Thank you for watching. See you in subsequent videos, because we are going to consider more examples as we said earlier. Thank you for watching. See you. Bye bye.